My name is Bei Yan. I am an assistant professor in information systems at the School of Business at the Stevens Institute of Technology. I study how people work with technologies to support their task performance, especially in teams. So my work really looks into how, for example, new technologies such as artificial intelligence can be used to support teams sharing information, make decisions together, or create new knowledges together. It is a new form of technology that is able to think and act and learn and kind of interact with people like human, mainly because of its superior cognitive capacity, and at the same time it's still a technological agent. So to me it's particularly interesting. So one of the studies I'm working on, which is supported by National Science Foundation, is looking at how artificial intelligence in teams can be used to support information sharing and decision-making in teams. A general tendency in teams when they try to make decisions is they prematurely converge on the consensus, because when you talk to a group of people in the teams, there is this kind of implicit social pressure to share common information and to agree. The idea in our study was we try to look at, okay, if we have a chatbot here and then it gives us something that the team hasn't talked about, will that prompt team just kind of drive teams to discuss more about things they haven't talked about, encourage the team members to kind of share different opinion. And we found that it's always the chatbot that is introduced at the beginning is going to be more useful in helping the team members to share diverse opinions. As teams collaborate, they always go through several stages. At the initial stage, it's the norming stage. And after they interacted for a while, they have perhaps already formed some forms of norm for interaction. And now if you introduce a technology intervention, it's no longer that successful, perhaps because of the existing norms. And then this is actually a very important finding for companies who try to kind of design AI for teams, because when you actually have these kind of technologies in organizations, it's likely that the organization teams have already interacted for a while, right? So there are certain norms in their teams perhaps already formed that would prevent them from effectively using the AI for better outcomes. So trainings and interventions probably need to be designed